I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions from my subscriber, and I hope they will help many of my viewers. In this particular video, I'll take up 3 examples. All 3 have been sent by my subscriber. These are based on instantaneous rate of change. The very first question here is, estimate the slope of the tangent to the graph of the function y equals to 2x cubed plus x squared plus 23 at x equals to 2. Now, when we have to find slope of a tangent, we are looking for 2 points which are very close. So we have different methods for finding this. 3 methods are very popular. One is we take values which are centered, and we could also take values which could be proceeding or following. That is to say, one of the point is given to us, which is x equals to 2. The other point could be, let's say, 2.001. It could be 1.999, or we could take 2 points. One is 1.999, the other is 2.001. That will be called centered. So in this particular example, I will use the method where we take the center value, correct? So let's rewrite this function as a function of x. So I'll prefer to write as f of, let's say, 2. When I say f of 2, I'm trying to find the value of this function at the point 2 itself. So that will be 2 cubed plus 2 square plus 23, correct? We can always use a calculator to figure out this answer. So it is 2.2 cubed plus 2 square plus 23, and that gives us 43. Now we could find a value which is on the right side of 2, let us say 2.001, right? So that case will be 2 times 2.001 whole cube plus 2.001 square plus 23, right? So let me replace this value by 2.001 and then recalculate. Let's put this in 2.001, and the other value, instead of 2, let me write this as 2.001, and then again calculate the same value. It gives me 43.028. Let's calculate a value which is before 2. 0.001 before 2 will be 1.999, correct? So if I replace this by 1.999, I get 2 times 1.999 whole cube plus 1.999 whole square plus 23. Let's calculate this value also. So let's go back to this. So it becomes, now instead of 2, we'll multiply by 1.999 cube, and this will be 1.999, and let's see what is the answer. 42.972. It gives us a value 42.972. Now these values can help us to find slope of a tangent, as these are the points very close to 2. So if I'm using centered method, let's say, if I'm using centered method, then I could find slope of the tangent as equal to f of 2.001 minus f of 1.999 divided by 2.001 minus 1.999, correct? So that gives us, we already have these 2 values here. So f value at 2.001 is 43.028. Take away 42 0.972 divided by, that becomes 0.002, correct? Now let's calculate this value. So we have 43.028 minus 42.972 equals to, and we'll divide this by 0.002. We get 28, right? So with centered value, we get the answer as 28. So slope of the tangent is 28, right? So this is with centered value. Let me again do the same calculation, and this time with the following value. Okay, so what comes after? So second method, right? So I'll do the second method here. Again, find the slope, right? So we say slope with second method. So let us use the value which comes after 2. So we could do f of 2.001 minus f of 2 divided by 2.001 minus 2. This is also a valid method followed at many places. Okay, centered method is preferred most of the time. 2.001 is 43.028. Take away f of 2, which is 43, divided by 0.001. So let's do this and find the answer. So we get 43.028 minus 43 equals to, divide by 0.001. That also gives you 28. Do you see that? So we get the same answer. Now you could apply the third method also to find the slope. You'll get the same answer, nearly same, I should say, right? So that will be taking a point before 2, right? So it is f of 1.999. I should have written 2, but doesn't matter. F of 2 divided by 1.999 minus 2. And if you do this calculation, you will again get 28. So what I'm trying to show you here is any method you apply, you get almost the same answer, right? So anyway, the slope here is 28 as we have seen. Now in the other examples, we'll not do 3 methods. We'll just do 1 method, right? And quickly find the solution. Next question before us is the number of toy kangaroos K in a toy box after t days is given by K equals to t square plus 20t. Estimate the rate at which the number of kangaroos is changing after 3 days. So in this particular case, let us find the value of K when t equals to 3, right? In that case, it is going to be 3 square plus 20 times 3. Is that okay? Which is 9 plus 60 or 69. Let's take a value which is very close to 3. Let's say 3.001, right? Then what is the value of K? K at 3.001 will be 3.001 whole square plus 20 times 3.001. So let's calculate this value. 3.001 whole square plus 20 times 3.001, and that gives us 69.026. Now to find or to estimate rate at which the number is changing, we'll find the values, difference of values between these 2 points, that is the value of number of toy kangaroos when it is 3.001 minus K of 3 divided by 3.001 minus 3. That gives you 69.026, take away 69 divided by 0.001. Let's calculate. So we already have this value. Let's take away 69 and then divide by 0.001. What do we get? In decimals, we get 26 point something rounded to 26. Correct? As you have seen in the previous example, we could follow any method, centered, proceeding, or following. So we just followed this method, took a point which was just greater than the given point, and we got the rate of change. So we can say our answer is that estimate rate of change of number of kangaroos is 26, right? So that becomes the answer. I hope the concept is clear, right? Okay, there's another test question. Now this is the last question, and I hope you know the method and you can actually solve this question and check with my solution. The question here is, the amount of money M in dollars in a piggy bank after T days is given by M equals to 2TQ plus 2T plus 10. Estimate the instantaneous rate of change of the amount of money in the piggy bank after 2 days. So let's rewrite the formula first. So when we have a function of time, I could write this money as function of time, M of T. This is a good nomenclature, and we refer to this as function notation, right? So we have 2T cubed plus 2T plus 10. So the idea here is we'll find this value for 2, and we'll also find this value for slightly more than 2. So let's say 2.001, right? And then we'll find the rate of change as M of 2.001 minus M of 2 divided by 2.001 minus 2. Is it okay? These are the steps. So you can actually pause the video and answer it now. So let's substitute 2 first. So 2 cube plus 2 times 2 plus 10. And that gives you, let's calculate. So we have 2 times 2 cube plus 2 times 2 plus 10, which is equal to 30. Let's replace 2 by 2.001. So it becomes cube plus 2 times 2.001 plus 10, right? So this is a point very close to the original point. For tangent, we need 2 points very, very close. That's the concept. So we get this as, let me change this to 2.001 and that one also to 2.001, and then calculate. It becomes 30.026. 026, right? And now let's substitute the values here. So the value at 2.001 is 30.026 minus 30 divided by 0.001, and that is 0.026 divided by 0.001 or 26, correct? So the estimated instantaneous rate of change is again 26, right? So the amount of money in the piggy bank after 2 days will be changing at this rate, right? So it is so many dollars per day. So that will be units. So in previous examples also, you should mention the units. I hope the method is well understood. Feel free to share your comments. If you like my video, that'll be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.